Good morning everyone. My name is Eliza Lawa from BEd 3. Hi everyone. Now I will going to discuss about administering resource environment. Administering resource environment. This is managing the environmental impact such as coping strategies and other approaches. Example of administering resource environment, you have a small marketing firm has a team of 5 employees who need access to various resources to perform their tasks effectively. So first, you have a office space and computer and software, internet access, supplies, and marketing rooms. Buffering is a stockpiling either inputs or outputs from a production or service process to cope with environmental fluctuation. The best example is streaming video. You are watching on a streaming service like Netflix. They have data transmission, buffering creation, continuous playback, replenishing the buffer, handling interruption. Smoothing, taking actions aimed at reducing the impacts of fluctuation o pagbabago-bago. The best example is you are tracking your daily temperature in your city over a month and you have record the following temperature for 10 days. For example, day 1, 20%, day 2, 22, day 3, 21, day 4, 25, day 5, 30. Forecasting, predict changing conditions and future events. For example, a small bakery wants to forecast its sales for the upcoming week based on its sales data from the previous 4 weeks. So, week 1, 100, week 2, 120, week 3, 110, week 4, 130. Recruiting is the process of hiring the best and most qualified candidate for a job opening. From the word recruiting, so ano na natin na katulad ng pag-apply ng trabaho. So, kailangan natin mag-recruit ng best and qualified candidates for our job opening. Partnership is the relationship of 2 or more partners carrying out business a view to making a profit. For example, business partner. So, magkasosyo kayo sa business niyo. So, hindi lang siya pang isa, kundi for more partners na kayong dalawa ang magmamanage ng sarili nyong business na hindi na umabot sa point na ma-bankrupt. You have to help each other na mag-angat yung business nyo hanggang sa hanggan.